Good day, students. Today we are going to perform an experiment. The aim of the experiment is to determine the density of solid by using spring balance and measuring cylinder. Materials required. The materials required are spring balance, metallic bob, measuring cylinder, and water. As we all know that density of a substance is defined as mass per unit volume. So firstly, we will find out the mass of metallic bob in gram. Before starting the practical, we firstly just check whether our instrument is error free or not. Firstly, we will check whether our spring balance is error free or not. As you can see here clearly that this pointer coincides with the zero of spring scale. So we can say that our instrument is error free. In order to determine the density of solid by using a spring balance and measuring cylinder, the apparatus required are spring balance, spherical body or any solid body, measuring cylinder, water. We all know that density of a substance is defined as the mass of the substance per unit volume. The SI unit of density is kg per metric cube. In order to find out the mass of this metallic bob, we will tie it with a string to the hook of the spring balance. Right? We tie a metallic bob with the string of the hook of spring balance. Now we will find out the reading of mass in the air. As you can see here clearly that the mass of this metallic bob is 100 gram. We will note down this reading in the observation table that the mass of the spherical body or the metallic bob is 100 gram. Now we will pour water in the measuring cylinder and record the initial volume. So as you can see here clearly that the initial volume is 80 milliliter. We will record this observation in our observation table. After this, we will suspend the metal bob into the measuring cylinder with water. The bob should not touch the base nor the sides of the cylinder. As you can see here clearly that the water level increases up to 90 milliliter. Initially it was 80 milliliter. So the difference is 90 minus 80 equal to 10 milliliter. We can say that the volume of the metal bob is 10 milliliter. We will note down this reading in the observation table. So we have mass of metallic bob is equal to 100 gram. Initial volume of water 80 ml. Final volume of water 90 ml. Volume of object, final volume minus initial volume is equal to 90 ml minus 80 ml equal to 10 ml. So as we all know that density is equal to mass divided by volume. A mass of metallic bulb is 100 gram, volume is 10. So on solving, density of solid is equal to 10 gram per centimeter cube. So we can say that the density of solid is 10 gram per centimeter cube. Thank you.